Sand is a virtual game ecosystem built on the blockchain. Anyone can develop, trade, and monetize digital property known as land on the network. How does Sand, on the other hand, work? Is it a wise decision? Continue watching this video to learn everything there is to know about this cryptocurrency. Hello there, guys. Welcome back to Upney Crypto, where we teach our audience about the many types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. The Sandbox was first released in 2011 by Pixel as a mobile gaming platform meant to compete with Minecraft. It became an international smash with more than 40 million downloads. However, in 2018, Arthur Madrid and Sebastian Borget, the company's co-founders, decided to investigate the possibility of constructing a 3D metaverse on the blockchain. It allows users to express themselves by contributing to gaming objects and virtual land, all of which are based on NFTs. Sandbox is an Ethereum-based ERC20 token that serves as the native asset of the Sandbox virtual economy. Sand will have a maximum quantity of 3 billion tokens, with around 900 million now in circulation. Surprisingly, for a project that prides itself on being decentralized, the firm, team, advisors, and investors receive the majority of the overall supply. Many gamers have turned into virtual real estate moguls, enhancing their plots with stuff purchased on the market. LANDs can be joined together to form larger, more valuable estates and districts. You have other options for making money with your land besides flipping it. You can hold events in games for a cost, in the hopes of drawing a large number of paying customers. The new Sandbox project was launched in 2020 and quickly became one of the most popular. Axie Infinity and Decentraland are two popular crypto games. Sandbox is a fun game to play. Land is a huge landscape with separate zones where the game is played. Each piece is a unique NFT. They go for tens of thousands of dollars each. Their purpose is to allow people to truly own their data. As NFTs, you may receive incentives for your creations while also contributing to the ecosystem. The Sandbox gives players a variety of options for accumulating value and transferring it to other games or completely outside of the gaming ecosystem. The game's creators used NFT technology to make it easy for players to keep track of their creations. NFTs are cryptocurrency tokens based on the blockchain that can be used to represent in-game assets. They are both verifiable and transferable on the blockchain. Staking. Users can stake sand on lands to get passive income. Users can obtain gems and catalysts in this manner, which are required for asset production. Sandbox uses a fee capture scheme in which 5% of transaction fees are distributed in sand tokens, with 50% going to the staking pool as incentives and 50% going to the foundation. Sand is also a governance token, allowing holders to vote on critical roadmap features and creator grants. Voting rights can be delegated by sand holders to other actors. To use the Sandbox platform, go to Sand is used to play games, purchase equipment, and modify avatar characters. They can get sand by playing the game. Sand is used by creators to purchase assets, lands, and stakes. Demand for sand to acquire lands is driven by land sales. Artists buy gems to define rarity and scarcity and spend sand to publish assets to the marketplace according to the white paper. The Sandbox Foundation is a non-profit organization that promotes the Sandbox ecosystem by granting grants to encourage the creation of new content and games. Green Park, an NFT developer, announced on November 22nd that it has teamed with Grow Your Base, a community NFT platform, and MV Studios, a development company, to expand Green Park into the Sandbox game. Green Park claimed that in Q1 2022, we'll welcome our NFT holders to help create and experience this exciting new development. Sandbox stated on December 1st that it will be selling virtual plots next to the plot where musician Snoop Dogg was allegedly building his mansion, the Snoopverse. On December 10th, it was disclosed that someone has paid 149 ETH for the Metaflower Super Mega Yacht NFT developed by Republic Realm as part of its fantasy collection for the Sandbox Metaverse. Tokens like sand surged after Facebook's announcement. On the surface, this attitude appears to be quite reasonable. More individuals are learning about technology, which is resulting in widespread use of existing platforms. Facebook, on the other hand, has just announced the launch of what will undoubtedly be the Sandbox's most major rival. A tech behemoth is entering the fray, and it's likely to trample existing efforts with a metaphorical steamroller. Decentraland is expected to be Meta's main adversary until Meta's Metaverse is released. On the surface, the two initiatives appear to be extremely similar. They're both Metaverse games with an NFT-based economy and are structured around a coin. However, there are significant variances between them. The Sandbox's revolutionary 3D editing program allows users to create practically anything. The cryptocurrency industry is still reeling from new all-time high prices for Bitcoin and Ethereum earlier this year. Many cryptocurrencies appear positive as we approach the start of 2022, but their prices remain much below their all-time highs. In Q4 2021, the focus appears to be on Layer 1 smart contract blockchains such as Ethereum and Solana, as well as metaverse cryptocurrencies such as Mana and Sand. Many popular altcoins, including as Binance Coin, Solana, Terra, and Avalanche, have recently performed well. Many of the best altcoins have still got room to skyrocket. Most crypto investors are bullish in the short term, but the rally cannot persist indefinitely. The price of the Sand cryptocurrency is expected to climb in the future years, according to crypto specialists. However, it's important to remember that Bitcoin volatility makes accurate forecasting difficult. Because forecasting services might be inaccurate, you should conduct your own research to make informed trading decisions. Remember that past results are no guarantee of future results. For some investors, the Sandbox has proven to be a terrific investment. If you had bought it in January, you would have made a profit of over 10,000%. However, like most altcoins, it is a risky investment. The price of Sand will most likely fall over time if the game fails to attract users and investors. It's tough to say whether the Sandbox will be a major player in metaverse gaming in a year's time, but it's a safer bet than some of its smaller competitors. That's all we've got for you today, fellas. How do you feel about the Sand altcoin? Let us know what you think in the comments area below. To be notified the next time we upload a video, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video. Thank you for tuning in.